Hi friends! Let's start drawing Looey from Dandy's World. Looey is a balloon-shaped character, so we will first draw the head, which looks like a big balloon. Make sure the bottom of the balloon is slightly flat, but it shouldn't touch the outline completely. Next, let's draw a pipe-like structure for Looey's top. This will be the polka-dotted top Looey wears. Now, let's draw Looey's ears, which are also balloon-shaped. So, we will sketch two balloons on either side of the head. Now, moving on to the legs. The first leg should be a long, thin line. The second leg goes behind the first one, so follow along carefully. Next, let's draw Looey's hands. One hand will be straight, and the other will be making a hand gesture, perhaps a thumbs up or another symbol. Now, we'll add Looey's tail, which is also balloon-shaped. The hands are simple to draw, so don't worry too much about making them complicated. Moving on to the face, let's draw Looey's mouth. It should be shaped like a potato chip. Then, draw two round eyes. They don't need to be perfectly circular, an oval-round mix works fine. Inside each eye, draw the pupils. Now, let's add some details. Looey has two blush marks on the cheeks. Let's start coloring the pupils with black. Finally, to create the polka dots on Looey's top, I'm using my 360-degree protractor to ensure they are perfectly aligned in straight rows and columns. Make sure your dots aren't zigzagged, follow along carefully. First, let's color Looey. I'm using an apple green color to shade the glossy parts on Looey's ears and legs. I am using a light green to color Looey's leg, one side of the blush, the right side, for polka dots on the dress, the left inside of the ear, and the right inside of the hand. Now, I am using a light melon yellow to color the glossy highlights on the balloon. For Looey's tail, body, and head, I am using a deep yellow to give them a consistent look. Now, let's move on to coloring Looey's head completely. For Looey's ear, right leg, and left hand, I am using pink and fuchsia. Don't get confused with the color combinations, they need to be applied correctly. I am also using the same pink shade for Looey's left side blush. I'm enhancing the image by shading the floor with a gray color pencil. To make the drawing more realistic and prominent, I am using a black pencil to shade the entire body. Finally, I am outlining the whole image with a black outline to give it a finished look. I hope you were able to draw along with me. And there it is, ta-da! Looey is ready. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon in the next one. Bye for now.